Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you once again from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange. And although it's a sad day because it's the last day for the month of August, meaning that summer is soon coming to an end, I'm still excited. You know why? Because it's still a hot and humid day outside. The summer is not completely gone here in the Big Apple, but it may be hot outside, but not as hot as those New York Mets. Did you see that game last night? Let's take another one tonight, boys. But it's also business time, sports later on. It's been an interesting session to say the least, and it's time to wind down with a drink. Because it's nearly 4 o'clock, the markets there are about to close right behind me, and we're all in the mood to cool off with a drink. So let's lift a glass and cheers to a great August. It's officially happy hour here in New York City. Now stocks. They are lower this Wednesday with energy taking quite the hit as investors continue to take in employment figures and as they also look ahead to Friday's jobs report. Now let's start with today's data. Private companies adding 177,000 jobs in August. According to the latest read from ADP, economists were expecting a gain of 175,000. Therefore, the figures fell roughly in line with expectations. Other data released today includes Chicago PMI for August, which came in at 51.5, while pending home sales figures rose 1.3% in July. And with the EIA, the Energy Information Administration, saying inventories rose by 2.3 million barrels last week, leading the way for crude prices to fall more than 3% to $45 a barrel. And the Dow and S&P are also erasing their gains for the month of August. You have yourself a session right behind me now where about 2 stocks fell for every advancer here at the big board. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the nearly halfway trading point of the week. And rather than end on the corporate front, not a lot going on there today. We must talk about sports. The New York Mets. Can we take 3 against Miami today in Queens? I think so. Let's go Mets. The wild card chase continues even as my phone is ringing in the background. Cespedes, Grandyman, 2 games, 2 heroes. Who's next to come through tonight? Who's next? Can't wait to find out. From Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney.